Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find today's content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into something super important: how you can boost your mood through one simple change, your diet. That's right. A balanced diet can do wonders for your mental health. Let's break it down. You know the old saying, you are what you eat. It turns out it's not just about your body. What you eat directly impacts your mind, too. Studies show that a balanced diet can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. That's because what you eat affects your brain's chemistry. For example, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, like salmon and walnuts, have been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety. So, eating nutrient-rich foods isn't just about keeping your body in shape. It's also about keeping your mind in top form. Let's talk about some foods that can actually improve your mood. First up, we've got leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are packed with folate, which helps to produce serotonin, a feel-good chemical your brain needs. Next, we have whole grains like oats and brown rice. These give you a steady source of energy and help to stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing mood swings. Now, it's not just about adding the right foods to your diet. It's also about avoiding the wrong ones. Refined sugars and processed foods might give you a quick energy boost, but they also lead to energy crashes and irritability. These foods mess with your blood sugar levels and can leave you feeling worse than before you ate them. So steer clear if you want to keep your mood stable. The good news is, you don't have to overhaul your diet overnight to see a difference. Start by making small changes, like swapping out processed snacks for nuts or adding a leafy green salad to your lunch. These little changes can have a big impact on your mental health and help you feel more energized and balanced throughout the day. Remember, a balanced diet is not just good for your body, it's good for your mind too. So, next time you're feeling down, take a look at what's on your plate. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you in the next video.